Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. So guys, I am making this video on my viewers and my trainees demand. Here under this course guys, you guys are learning Power BI Full Course from scratch. And I am expecting guys, these videos are really useful for you to learn Power BI from scratch. But when we talk about this Power BI services related feature, so we guys face difficulties. Because we required licensing to use Power BI services feature. And if you guys are not working in any of the organization, so obviously guys, how you guys get the license for using Power BI services feature? And those who are already working in an organization, but organization are denying to give license permission to use Power BI services feature. So the question is guys, how you guys can use this Power BI services feature? So guys, this video is really help you to create free account for Power BI services. So guys, this video is really helpful to create free Power BI services account so that you guys can easily use Power BI services feature and explore about Power BI services features for next 60 days. So at one account guys, you guys can use free trial till next 60 days. So let's start the video and back to the desktop screen. So firstly guys, you need to open any internet browser. So I am using this Google Chrome browser, so let me open this. And here guys, we need to type Power BI services and hit enter. So guys, here you can see this Microsoft link. So firstly guys, you need to click on this link. And here you guys can see the option try free. So just simply click on this try free option. So here it is asking the email name. So here guys, we need to enter any organizational email ID with ends with domain name like @sdfc.com, @genpact.com, @mercer.com. But here we guys are creating dummy account, so we don't have any organizational email ID. But we can log in this account with temporary email ID. So what we need to do guys, we need to create one temporary email ID. And how we can create the temporary email ID, I will also tell you. So simply click here on this plus sign to open new tab. And here you guys need to enter temp email ID. See guys, and hit enter. And now guys, you need to click on this first link, which is temp mail disposable temporary email. So I will click this link. And once you click it guys, then we guys can see it generating one temporary email ID, and it will take few seconds to generate. So see guys, our new temporary email ID is ready. Now let me copy this ID and paste it here under this Power BI services page. And I would suggest guys, open a new notepad and paste this ID here under this notepad so that you guys can use this email ID later. Now I need to click here on this submit button. So here we guys can see our new window is ready, where you need to click on this circle button, which is I got it from my organization. Just simply check it here. And once you check it here guys, you guys can see the new button has appearing here, which name is next. So simply you need to click here on this next button. So it will take few seconds guys. And now here we guys can see it is asking your personal information. So here I will write my name, let's say Shubham, and the last name is Verma. And from here guys, you need to select your country name. So my country name is India. So I will simply select India country from here. Here it is guys. So here guys, you need to write any business phone number. So I am taking any random number here. And let me scroll it down. And here guys, you need to create your own password. So I am creating my password to log in Power BI services. And here under this tab guys, we need to enter the same password to confirm the password. And now let's go to the next tab, which is verification code. So simply go here in this temporary mail tab and let me scroll it down guys. And here you guys can see the verification code, which is 842329. So again go back to this Power BI services page and enter that verification code, which is 842329, and just click here on this next button. So it will take few seconds guys to update your information, and if you guys want to save the password, you guys can save it from here, but I'll click never, and just click here on this get started. And now this pop-up guy is asking to get additional security information with Microsoft Authenticator app. So you don't need to click here on this next button, just click here on this ask later and click here on this yes. And now we guys can see our Power BI services account has created, where you guys can take free Power BI services feature for just next 60 days. If you click here on this account button guys, so here you guys can see my name and the temporary email ID, which is my username. So that's what I enter this email ID here under this notepad, so that I can use this email ID later. So let me minimize it, and you guys can avail this facility for next 60 days. And here you guys can make more practice as much as you can. So I hope guys you have definitely enjoyed this video and learned how we can create dummy account for using Power BI services feature. So I am also expecting guys you guys have a great journey with this channel, and you guys have learned variety of things of Power BI with the help of this free YouTube channel. So please share this channel in your network, and those who are visit first time on this channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button. So keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.